If you're a quantity surveyor and haven't looked at seriously at data centers yet, this is a sector to watch. I'm going to show you why data centers and mission critical work is becoming one of the biggest opportunities in commercial surveying right now, and exactly how you can position yourself in it. Right now, there are more 171 data center projects in the pipeline across the UK. Turner & Townsend rank this as the second most in demand construction skill set in the country. And yet, there isn't a single commercial training course built specifically for quantity surveyors working in this sector. Technical certifications exist for engineers and operators, but nothing for the commercial side. That's the gap. Data centers and mission critical facilities are being built at pace the industry has never seen, and the commercial teams delivering them are stretched thin. This course exists to close that gap. Before we go further, here's why and what I'm going to tell you. Spent 35 years as a chartered QS across the UK in developing on infrastructure programs such as HS2, TfL and ESOS Rail. I've also spent close to a decade teaching at universities and assessor of the professional qualification bodies as well since 2008. This course is for quantity surveyors and commercial managers moving into data centers and hyperscale projects. It's for consultancy and contractors teams bidding for mission critical work for the first time. It's for candidates preparing for professional assessment who need data center or mechanical and electrical heavy competencies. And it's for cost managers who want real fluency in mission critical terminology, risk and procurement. If that's you, keep watching. The course is built around 6 modules that follow real commercial life cycle of a data center project. We start with an introduction to the sector, then move into cost planning and benchmarking. From there, we go deep into mechanical and electrical led cost management covering power, cooling and resilience. Then procurement and contract strategy for mission critical work, followed by risk, testing, commissioning and cost control. We finish by looking at how you position yourself in the market. Once you've got the knowledge, every module comes with a downloadable reference sheet and a short knowledge check. Module 2 is where we get into the numbers. You'll learn how to establish cost per square meter, per megawatt, benchmarking, hyperscales, co-location and edge facilities. You'll understand capacity metrics like megawatts, power usage effectiveness and data center tier ratings and how each one drives cost. You'll build elemental cost plans that actually reflect mission critical specification levels, not standard commercial building assumptions. You'll be able to compare regional cost variations across live data schemes in the UK. Module 3 covers 3 big mechanical and electrical cost centers: power, battery, backup systems, generators, switchgear, and the resilient redundancy levels that drive so much of the cost. Cooling, computer room air conditioning, free cooling, and the liquid cooling that reshaping this sector, and fit out raised floors, containment, fire suppression, and the specialist mechanical and electrical packages that come with these mission critical builds. If you're working towards professional assessment with data center exposure, this is usually the module to prepare for, need the most support with. By the end of this course, you'll be able to develop a benchmark and challenge data center cost plan with a cost per square meter and a cost per megawatt with real confidence. You'll speak fluently in mechanical and electrical resilience and tier rating terminology alongside technical teams. You'll be able to structure procurement and risk strategy for mission critical packages from first principles. And you'll be able to walk through the data center bid, a client meeting, or a professional assessment interview with genuine sector specific credibility. There are 3 ways to take this course. Self-paced gives you all 6 modules on demand with downloadable benchmarking as referencing templates, live group sessions and optical discussion centres and case study walkthroughs with a working QS. And the one-to-one deep dive gives you a personalized review of your own live or recent data center projects. Self-study is £147 to £97 and gives you the full demand access to everything. Group coaching, £200 to £97 to £397, and this gives the cohort live sessions, open discussions, and a case study walkthroughs. This is where most people land. There's also the one-to-one intensive at £600 between £900 with a personalised review of your own project on top of everything else. So data centers and mission critical experience is quickly becoming one of the most sought after specialisms of QSs in the UK. Choose your track, self-study, group coaching or one-to-one, and get started today. You'll find everything at trainingforsurveyors.com. Book a one-to-one consultation to talk through when you're starting from and how this best fits with you.